The one program of the significance to the people of Guam is our political self-determination. The people of Guam first were the CHamoru people. And based upon the 1950 Organic Act, listen to those of you who are non-CHamoru in the room, politically categorize the people of Guam as the CHamoru people. So you could be ethnically Filipino, but if your family was here since 1950, technically you are CHamoru. This is the one thing that we need to do before tens of thousands of people are coming to our island. We need to teach them respect because they don't know it. They don't know respect. That's why they're getting kicked out of Okinawa in the first place. I wrote a book towards the theology of the CHamoru. That's my background. I want you to go out and buy this book, please, and hear my thoughts on that idea.